boys and girls. My name is Miss Katherine, and I am the weekday preschool director here at Sugar Creek Baptist Church. And I am wanting to share with you a fun craft activity that you can do during the summer to stay busy. Our craft activity is a canvas, and on the canvas it has a very special Bible verse. The Bible verse says, "Act justly, love mercy, walk humbly with your God," Micah 6:8. To do this activity, you are going to need some supplies, and I'm going to go over the supplies with you now. First thing you're going to need is a canvas. The canvas is a size 20 by 16. If you don't have a canvas, you could use a piece of cardboard that's about this size. That'll work as well, or a piece of poster board. That'll work as well. You'll need 2 paintbrushes. You'll need a thick paintbrush and a thin paintbrush. You're going to need some paints. I used about 6 colors. If you don't have certain colors, you can always mix and make colors. You'll need a cup with water. You'll need some paper plates to put your paint on and some paper towels. And that's about it for your craft. I want to talk to you a little bit about the Bible verse. I went to my Bible and I found this Bible verse for our craft. Did you know the amazing thing about the Bible is it's God talking to us? He's telling us important things that we need to know and to learn and how to live. And this Bible verse has some really important details. One thing that is very important to remember about the Bible is it's God talking to us, and He's telling us something important to remember. Sometimes when I leave for the morning, I don't see my family right when I get up and have to leave, and so I leave them a note, and it has something important that I want them to remember. Maybe it's to clean their room or clean something up or do something important that they need to remember. Well, the Bible has some important things for us to remember too, and this verse has 3 very important things for us to remember. 3 things are act justly, love mercy, walk humbly with your God. Those are the important things He wants us to remember from this verse. Today, what you're going to do for the craft, there's one step you're going to do. You're going to take your canvas and you are going to cover the canvas with one color of paint. I chose a darker color of paint to use as my backdrop, and you're going to paint the whole entire canvas with the paint. When you paint it, you're going to even come all the way out to the edges of your canvas and cover your whole entire canvas. And then you're going to have to let it dry overnight. This is what your canvas will look like after you've completely covered it. Join me tomorrow for step 2. Bye, Creek Kids.